Welcome. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to hide your headline on the LinkedIn app for PC with the new update. If you're someone who values a more private profile or you simply don't want your headline to be visible to everyone, these quick steps will help you adjust your settings easily. First, open the LinkedIn app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the Me icon, which is where your account details are located. Click on that. Next, select the option that says View Profile. This will bring you directly to your own LinkedIn profile page, where you can manage everything from your experience and education to the visibility of your headline. From there, look for the section labeled Public Profile and URL. You'll notice an edit icon right next to it. Click on that, and LinkedIn will load the editing options for your public profile settings. Here, you'll find many controls for what information is visible and what's hidden. Scroll through and locate the option that allows you to manage the visibility of your headline. By default, this is usually turned on so that anyone who views your profile can see it. But with this update, you now have the option to disable it completely. Simply toggle or turn off the headline option. Once you switch it off, your headline will no longer appear to others when they visit your profile. This helps you take control of what's shown publicly and can give you a cleaner, more minimal look on LinkedIn. After making the change, take a moment to double-check your profile visibility. You can preview what other people see when they visit your page. This ensures that the headline is indeed hidden, and your profile is presented exactly the way you want. That's it. In just a few clicks, you've hidden your headline on LinkedIn using your PC app.